Hi, my name is Carla. I've been with LivBay for a year and a half. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we're going to be showing a volumeful set in our Mulberry lashes. I like the Mulberry lashes because it is a very unique colored lash. They do come in a C-curl mix tray here at LivBay. If you do want to do a set like this, make sure you pick them up. This is a colored volume set. It is exactly as any other volume set, same pinching, same diameter, same lengths. So if you ever wanted to use color, don't be afraid to use it. Everything's exactly the same. If your client's ever asking for color, just use all the same techniques. This is a sped up tutorial. I will be giving you some tips along the way, so I hope you enjoy. So our volume sets are with 2D to 10D fans. Normally we do use the 0.05 and 0.07 diameter lash. Those are going to be the type of lashes that you'd use for volume. Mulberry is a very unique colorway on lashes. When you go to pick up the lashes, you'll notice that there's a variety of color in each fan. So with this volume set, I did go with shorter lengths in the inner corners, and for the rest of the eye, I did do the same length just so the color can really pop out there. I did 10 for the inners, 12s, and then went in with 14s all around, just so the color can be a little bit brighter on the eyes. A great tip to get in your inner corners is to use tape and really stretch out the eyelid to get into that inner corner. You do want to use shorter lengths. Normally we use 8mm to 10mm. I've already applied bonder just so it can help with retention and make the adhesive dry quicker. Now that we're done with the look, we're going to go ahead and take off the eye pads. So with this Mulberry volume set that I just did, I went in with shorter inners. We did 10s, 12s, and the rest 14s just so the color could really pop. Now that we're done with the set, just a reminder, don't forget that colored lashes are the exact same as regular lashes, so don't be scared to add some and incorporate them into your sets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this brought a lot of value to you. Question for you, what's your favorite color to put on your clients? Leave the comments down below and we'll see you in the next video.